have to just dig in there and get that white one. Sorry. I'm so sorry. That hurt. Did that hurt? Did I get it? Did I get it?
What are you looking for, Audrey?
I'm looking for a white hair on this beard.
Okay, do it again.
Dad.
Did you get it?
No. I'll get it. Sorry, Dad. Dad, hurry and twist it. So don't say ow. Okay. Now. Did I get a black one or a white one?
You got a black one.
I got a black one, Dad.
Last one.
Wow.
Make it a good one.
I'm trying to find a white. Dad? Let's look on your head.
No.
Let's look for a white one. Where do you see a white one, Mom? On his head.
No, right there. That's a good one. It's our serious face. And that's his pain face.
That one.
She got the right one.
Good job.
Okay.